Okay, what do you do when a student needs more time? First of all, you go into quizzes. Even though the students can't see that, you can see it, or you can click on it through your modules. Let's just say I'm doing glaciers. I would see this page for the quiz, and I would go to moderate this quiz. Let's just say that Jocelyn here needed more time or another attempt. I'm going to go in and I'm going to say give everyone one extra attempt, which is what you should do with this week's quiz. Next week we can set it to 2 attempts. But if they needed more time, I would just say if they got 30 minutes, I would add another 30 minutes and hit save. If you are giving them another attempt, so maybe they got kicked out or something, you just have to make sure that you manually unlock the quiz for the next attempt. Pretty simple, but as I mentioned, it doesn't save this for the student, which would be super easy if the whole semester you knew you had to double their time. Instead, you have to go into this moderate a quiz every time and give them extra time. So I usually put a little post-it note on my computer for what I need to do for that student for that semester.